Hello everyone, my name is Sofia Fernandes. I am from Kumta. Today I am going to prepare chicken Cafreal. So let's start the procedure. For this recipe, I have used 500 gram of chicken, 1 bunch of coriander, 4 green chillies roughly chopped, 1.5 inch of ginger roughly chopped, some handful of pudina leaves, 10 to 12 cloves of garlic, 1 lemon juice, 1 bay leaf, 12 peppercorns, 12 cloves, 1 inch of cinnamon broken, 4 elaichis, 1 teaspoon of jeera, some tamarind soaked in a water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, turmeric powder, some salt for taste, oil for frying, and 1 glass of water. First of all, take the chicken and make slits on the chicken. So when you marinate it with the masala, it will absorb properly and you will get a nice paste. Add some salt, turmeric powder 1 spoon, lemon juice. Mix it properly and keep it for 30 minutes to rest. The next procedure is Cafreal masala. For that, you have to take mixer jar and add coriander in it. Pudina leaves, garlic, chillies, ginger, bay leaf, cinnamon, elaichi, cloves, peppercorns, jeera, tamarind, sugar, salt, water. We have to grind all these ingredients into a fine paste. Cafreal masala is ready now. I am going to marinate half of the masala to the chicken. Reserve the remaining marinade later. Mix the masala well. Apply it to the chicken properly. The chicken should be coated with the masala very neatly. So the masala is applied to every piece of the chicken. I am going to marinate it for 1 hour. You can even marinate it for minimum at least for 30 minutes. Put some oil in the pan. Chicken is marinated well and now we are going to cook it. The oil is also heated. We'll cover the lid and cook it. And now we will turn it to the other side. Now I am going to open the lid. As you can see, our chicken is almost cooked. And it has turned to golden brown. And now I'm going to add the remaining reserved marinade to the cooked chicken. And this is the last procedure of the chicken Cafreal. I've added some water to this masala, and now I'm going to add it to this last to the chicken pieces. And now we have to cook that on the low flame for at least 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see, the chicken is boiling. Let it cook till the gravy thickens a bit. Chicken Cafreal is already cooked, and as you can see, the gravy is also thickened. And now I'll transfer it into a plate. Chicken Cafreal is ready to serve. If you have liked my recipe, then please do like and share to my video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.